For some reason, I've gone offline. However, my connection to the network named KTGI-4075 seems to be okay. That must mean that this is one of those crazy internet errors. We should try to get back online later.
Hey, Professor.
Okay, here we go. Just one moment while I try to go online. Almost done. I will just need a moment to complete the connection. Perfect. I'm online. To ask me a question, say, "Hey Einstein," or "Hey Professor," followed by "What is," or "Who is," or "How is the weather in?" For other commands, please visit my website at professoreinstein.com. Okay, let's get started.
Hey, Professor.
That's me.
Who is Winston Churchill?
Let's see. Hey. Sir Winston Leonard Spencer Churchill was a British statesman who served as Prime Minister of the United Kingdom from 1940 to 1945 during the Second World War, and again from 1951 to 1955.
Okay, good. Who is Isaac Newton? Okay, that's very good. That's good.
How's that for crazy?
Yeah, okay, that's crazy. Okay. Hi, Hey, Professor.
That's me.
What is a volcano?
One moment. A volcano is a rupture in the crust of a planetary mass object, such as Earth, that allows hot lava, volcanic ash, and gases to escape from a magma chamber below the surface.
Oh, that's very good. Okay. Hey, Professor.
That's me.
Who is Nikola Tesla?
One moment. Nikola Tesla was a Serbian-American inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and futurist, best known for his contributions to the design of the modern alternating current electricity supply system.
That's very good. Excellent. Hey, Professor.
I am listening.
Who is Elon Musk?
Let's see. Actually, any books you'd like to recommend?
Yeah, Elon Musk has many books, yes.